2024 was an incredible year. I had the opportunity to embark on unforgettable adventures and exploring amazing ships and destinations around the world, and not only experiencing new things, but also revisiting some of my favorite places to bring updated details and tips for you here on the channel. Of course, many of these adventures were aboard some of today's most fantastic cruise ships, including the spectacular Icon of the Seas, the largest and one of the most innovative cruise ships in the world. In this video, I'll share the highlights of my 2024 adventures and the epic achievements we celebrate together on this channel. So don't forget to stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'll share with you the channel's official numbers for last year. I think these numbers will impress you as much as a view from a ship's top deck at sunset. So get ready, our 2024 recap begins now, and I promise you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's go! Hello cruising mates, welcome to our 2024 recap. I'm Horton Novak, and on this channel we talk about everything related to cruises and travel. If you enjoy this topic, you come to the right place. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be the first to know when new videos are available. But now it's time to travel back in time. 2024 began with a fantastic night adventure to New Zealand, aboard an old favorite, the beautiful Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. This was my 5th time aboard the ship, and I can't deny it holds a special place in my heart. If you'd like to know more about the Ovation of the Seas, I have created a playlist about her. Check the link in the card and also in the description of this video. After 3 days of sailing from Sydney, the ship spent most of the day exploring one of the country's most beautiful and impressive regions, New Zealand's famous sounds. We visit 3 of its most popular fjords: Milford Sound, Dusk Sound, and Doubtful Sound, where the Ovation gently glides to channels flanked by towering mountains, lush forests, and breathtaking waterfalls. No matter how many times I came to this area, it never fails to amaze me. During this trip, we also visit Dunedin, a quaint city known for its beautiful historic train station. Christchurch, one of the New Zealand's most stunning and significant cities. And Wellington, the capital of New Zealand, which offers plenty to see and do during a cruise ship stop or a longer visit stay. On this trip, we only visit the country's South Island and the southern portion of the North Island, but there are so much more of New Zealand to explore during a visit. A New Zealand cruise is a must for any cruise enthusiast. Just a quick note, since this video is a 2024 retrospective, I'm only briefly mentioning cities and details. Don't worry if you want more information. I'm creating detailed videos about all the sports and cruise ships mentioned. If you are particularly interested in any place I mentioned, leave a comment below and I'll try to prioritize the videos with the most votes just for you. Returning to Sydney, as most passengers disembarked, we remained on board for another journey, my 6th voyage on the Ovation of the Seas. This time, a 18-night cruise from Sydney to Hawaii, marking my first transpacific adventure from Australia to the United States. I don't need to mention how excited I was about it, right? Our first stop on this journey was once again New Zealand. However, this time we visit Auckland, a city at the northern tip of the Northern Island and one of the country's most well-known destination cities. Our next 3 stops were in the paradisiac French Polynesian islands, starting with Raiatea, then Papeete, and Maria. One of these voyages' most unexpected and chic highlights was taking part in a traditional crossing ceremony. Amid a big fanfare, first-time sailors were inducted into King Neptune's court as the ship crossed the equator line on her journey to the Northern Hemisphere. Three days later, we arrived in Honolulu. That was my first visit to Hawaii, and we spent 3 days exploring Honolulu and its attractions, including our hotel, the Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort, where several episodes of Hawaii Five-0 and many other series and movies were shot. My review video about the hotel will be on the channel soon. Stay tuned. From Honolulu, I boarded a flight to Miami for my next adventure, exploring the city for a few days before embarking on the world's largest cruise ship for an iconic voyage. Boarding the Icon of the Seas was a one-of-a-kind experience. Royal Caribbean's new ship is impressive and packed with incredible attractions, many of which I never thought I would see on a cruise ship. If you want to know more about the vessel, check out the playlist above, where I already have some videos about the Icon of the Seas just for you. And if the ship and its attractions weren't enough, I also had the opportunity to revisit some of my favorite Caribbean destinations during the Icon's voyage, including St. Martin, St. Thomas, and of course, Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's fantastic private island in the Bahamas. Back in Miami, it was time to revisit Orlando's theme parks and outlets. After all, visiting Disney World and Universal Studios is a must during a visit to Florida, right? "2024 was a year filled with fantastic adventures where I had the opportunity to meet and reconnect with friends I have made on other cruises, not just crew members, but also fellow passengers who hold a special place in my heart."
Hi to my vlog! Please subscribe! Okay? Like and subscribe and share!
Like and subscribe! Oh yeah! We will cruise around the world!
Yeah!
2024 was a fantastic year for cruising the world with Horton Novak on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks to the support from all of you who joined me on this journey by watching my videos, subscribing, leaving likes, and engaging with me through your questions and comments. Your participation was vital in helping the channel achieve remarkable numbers and milestones I could never have dreamed of reaching without your support and love. In December 2024, I published the 100th video on the channel, and our channel also surpassed the 125,000 views. With your support, we have gotten closer to an important milestone for any YouTube channel, reaching the 1,000 subscriber mark. We are not there yet, However, before 2024 came to an end, our family of travelers surpassed the halfway mark and we are now 550 subscribers. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for all your support and encouragement through this journey. You have no idea how thrilled I am about this achievement and how your support encourages me to keep bringing you more and better videos about cruises and travel every week. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free, helps our channel grow, and inspires me to create new content for you every week. I can't wait to continue this journey together this year and see what 2025 has in store for us. A happy and prosperous 2025 to you, my cruise mate. I hope it will be a year filled with achievement, health, love, and of course, many cruises and travels. See you in the next video.